You know there is an IIM campus spread across 200 acres and inspired by Odisha's traditional art, located in Basantpur, Sambalpur, and by now you must have guessed it. It is IIM Sambalpur. The campus includes academic blocks, an auditorium, incubation center, faculty and guest houses, and a 24/7 library. Also, smart classrooms and disabled-friendly infrastructure make it truly future-ready. In this video, we will be discussing in detail about its BSc in Management and Public Policy. एक बार इसका कोर्स ब्रीफ भी जान लेते हैं. IIM Sambalpur offers a 4-year Bachelor of Science in Management and Public Policy, which is designed to create future-ready leaders who understand both business management and public governance. Also aligned with NEP, that is New Education Policy 2020. This interdisciplinary program combines management, public policy, economics, law, sustainability and technology. Students gain real-world exposure through internships, research projects and a final year capstone or dissertation. Also there is multiple exit options available too. Course brief तो देख ही लिया. Now let's have a look at its eligibility criteria. You must have passed class 12, or if you are appearing in class 12 in 2026, you are also eligible for IIM Sambalpur. Minimum marks required रहते हैं 60% in class 10th and 12th for general category, and for SC, ST, OBC, NCL, EWS or PWD categories, it is 55%. Also, English is mandatory in class 10th and 12th. Valid IPMAT 2026 score IIM Indore is also required. Age limit रहती है maximum 20 years as on 31st July 2026. Also, age relaxation for reserved categories as per government norms. Course brief जान लिया, eligibility criteria जान लिया. Now let's have a look at its admission process. Online application on IIM Sambalpur portal. Shortlisting based on IPMAT 2026 score. Personal interview, that is PI round. Final merit list based on IPMAT score plus PI score. अब जल्दी से इसका फीस स्ट्रक्चर भी देख लेते हैं. ईयर वाइज टोटल फीस रहती है. फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर इट इज 7,03,000. फॉर सेकेंड ईयर इट इज 6,63,000. फॉर थर्ड ईयर इट इज 6,68,000. and for fourth year it is 5,63,000. Next comes the important fee details, which includes offer acceptance fees, that is 1 lakh adjusted in semester 1, mess deposit, that is rupees 31,500 per semester, refundable caution money, that is rupees 40,000 for semester 1, alumni fund, that is included in semester 6, hostel and accommodation is included. Important dates are tentative, that is applications opens in May 2026, last date to apply is in June 2026, personal interview happens in July 2026, results and offer letters release होते हैं July 2026, and the program starts in August 2026. That's it for IIM Sambalpur. If you like this video, do subscribe IPMAT by LPT.